Most people believe YouTube virality is completely random. A creator uploads a normal video, sleeps overnight, and suddenly wakes up to millions of views. From the outside, it looks like luck. But modern YouTube does not work through luck alone anymore. Behind every viral explosion, invisible systems are constantly analyzing human behavior, emotional reactions, watch patterns, scrolling speed, curiosity triggers, and audience psychology in real time. The terrifying truth is that YouTube's algorithm studies human attention more deeply than most people realize. Every click, every pause, every rewatch, every comment, and every second of watch time becomes data-feeding machine learning systems designed to predict what humans will continue watching longest. Every minute, enormous amounts of content flood YouTube. Gaming videos, AI documentaries, science explainers, reaction videos, podcasts, tech breakdowns, edits, shorts, tutorials, entertainment clips, conspiracy theories, and educational channels all compete for the same limited human attention. Yet only a tiny percentage suddenly explode across the platform. Some creators spend months producing high-quality videos that barely get noticed, while another small channel unexpectedly gains millions of views overnight. This happens because YouTube's algorithm does not primarily reward effort. It rewards viewer behavior. The platform's main goal is keeping people watching longer. That means YouTube constantly searches for videos capable of capturing and holding human attention more effectively than competing content. Everything starts with the click. When a thumbnail appears on someone's screen, YouTube immediately begins testing human psychology. The algorithm measures whether viewers stop scrolling or ignore the video completely. This is called click-through rate. But psychologically, it is much deeper than simple statistics. Human brains evolved to notice mystery, danger, emotional faces, movement, uncertainty, and incomplete information. Viral thumbnails often exploit these instincts naturally. A strange object, shocked expression, glowing image, dramatic situation, or mysterious visual creates tension inside the brain. The viewer subconsciously wants answers. Titles work the same way. A title like Space Facts Explained sounds informational, but what happens when physics stops working? Creates immediate curiosity because it breaks normal expectations. The brain feels psychological tension and wants resolution. But getting clicks alone does not create virality. Retention is where YouTube truly decides whether a video deserves massive distribution. Once viewers click, the platform monitors behavior second by second. Did the viewer leave after 10 seconds? Did they continue watching? Did they replay parts? Did they become emotionally engaged? Did they continue watching more videos afterward? Every action becomes a signal. If viewers leave too quickly, the algorithm assumes the content failed expectations. But if large numbers of viewers stay longer than normal, YouTube begins expanding distribution. This is why viral videos often spread gradually at first before suddenly exploding. The platform quietly tests videos on small audience groups. If reactions remain strong, the algorithm pushes the content to larger and larger audiences continuously. The most explosive videos usually understand something deeper about human psychology. Humans are naturally attracted to emotional tension, mystery, fear, excitement, surprise, and unanswered questions. Successful creators intentionally structure videos to maintain curiosity throughout the experience. They introduce mysteries early, delay answers strategically, escalate information slowly, and create emotional payoff later. This activates dopamine anticipation systems inside the brain. People become psychologically rewarded not only by answers, but by expecting future information. That is why many viral videos feel difficult to stop watching once they begin. Every few seconds, the content gives the brain another reason to continue. Modern YouTube has also changed because of short-form content. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels trained audiences to make viewing decisions extremely fast. Many viewers now decide within seconds whether content deserves attention. Because of this, the opening moments of videos became more important than ever before. Some creators spend enormous amounts of time optimizing just the first 30 seconds because early audience retention heavily influences algorithmic distribution. If viewers leave quickly at the beginning, YouTube often reduces recommendations almost immediately. This means modern viral videos are often engineered carefully around human attention patterns rather than simple storytelling alone. Another major reason videos suddenly explode is timing. Sometimes creators upload content exactly when global curiosity around a topic begins rising rapidly. AI technology, space discoveries, mysterious events, internet drama, gaming updates, or scientific breakthroughs can suddenly trigger huge audience interest online. If a creator uploads the right video before competition becomes saturated, the algorithm may aggressively promote it because audience demand increases faster than available content. From the outside, the video appears to randomly explode overnight. But internally, YouTube's systems already detected rapidly increasing viewer interest across millions of people simultaneously. Emotions also play a massive role in virality. Humans naturally share content that shocks them, scares them, inspires them, surprises them, or makes them feel emotionally connected. Viewers often send videos privately through WhatsApp, Discord, Reddit, Telegram, Instagram, or X because emotional reactions encourage sharing behavior. Once videos spread outside YouTube itself, the algorithm notices sudden traffic spikes and may increase recommendations even more aggressively. This creates chain reactions where external sharing and internal recommendations continuously amplify each other. One of the most disturbing truths about YouTube virality is that the algorithm mainly measures behavioral engagement, not necessarily quality or morality. Videos generating controversy, fear, outrage, or emotional conflict often spread rapidly because humans react strongly to emotional intensity. Comment sections become active. Arguments increase engagement. Rewatches happen repeatedly. The algorithm interprets these signals as high audience involvement. This is why emotionally extreme content can spread faster than calm educational material, even when the educational content contains more value. Artificial intelligence made the system even more advanced. Modern YouTube recommendations are no longer simple programmed rules. Machine learning systems continuously study billions of interactions and adapt dynamically. The algorithm identifies patterns humans cannot easily detect. It predicts which audiences are likely to become emotionally invested in certain content before viewers themselves consciously realize it. In many ways, YouTube's AI systems understand large-scale audience behavior better than individual creators do. This is why even experienced YouTubers sometimes cannot predict which videos will suddenly explode. But perhaps the most important truth is this: virality and long-term success are not always the same thing. Some creators go viral once and disappear quickly afterward because temporary curiosity alone cannot sustain a channel. The creators who survive for years usually combine psychological engagement with genuine audience satisfaction. Viewers return repeatedly because they feel consistently entertained, educated, emotionally stimulated, or intellectually rewarded. The algorithm strongly values returning audiences because repeat viewers signal deeper long-term satisfaction rather than temporary attention spikes. And perhaps the strangest part of all is that nobody outside YouTube fully understands the algorithm completely. Even experienced creators constantly experiment because the system changes continuously. Audience behavior evolves. Internet culture shifts. Trends rise and disappear rapidly. AI systems retrain themselves constantly using enormous amounts of human behavioral data, which means every upload on YouTube becomes more than just a video. It becomes a real-time psychological experiment involving millions of human attention decisions happening simultaneously across the internet. So when a YouTube video suddenly explodes overnight, what people see publicly is only the final visible moment. Behind the scenes, invisible algorithms were already analyzing emotional reactions, curiosity levels, retention patterns, audience psychology, and behavioral signals long before the internet noticed the video becoming viral at all.